I'm saying, me as James Agre Orengo, putting aside even my position as a governor, that justice must be done. We cannot kill our people. And the time when we are mourning them, we are looking for officers. That cannot happen. We must first deal with injustice before we can deal with the questions that arise out of that injustice. So I'm praying that Kenyans will listen to the voices of mothers like Mother Kevin to see that justice is done. Justice is done. And I want to say, those who are in a rush to join Ruto, that Ruto is a passing cloud. I am saying that without a fear of contradiction. Because Ruto now has no money. Because he's been borrowing. And the Kenyans have told him, you cannot borrow. Ruto has said no taxation. But he said he is continuing to taxation. And he refused taxation through the finance bill. So he cannot tax Kenyans. Ruto has lost the confidence of the international community. So, where is Ruto going to take us? Ruto is taking us into a sinking ship. And I'm urging everybody that joining Ruto is a disaster, is an abomination. It cannot work. And nobody is going to tell us. When we are saying Ruto must go, Ruto must go, when we say Ruto must go with all his people. The entire government must go. Nobody is going to remain there.
Organizing Secretary Marino Council of Elders. Oge Toloni Anu. To say all opinion mana waparo ni Kamano. Kamano mangani. Kodmama Kadi Kilo Abani Abatunde no Kamano. Demi Kichuma.
Tuwalemo kawa dwaro joma konyo wating'o owadwa Kevin kawa chomo godala.